Maybe it's just me, but there are times when I feel like that the factory halogen headlights on Pippi put out about as much light as this thing. Fortunately, it doesn't take a whole lot to improve the quality of your headlights, and all you have to do is install a set of these. This is an H13 LED replacement bulb, and this one in particular is made by BeamTech. Knowing how much I just love the factory headlights, my good friend Kaylin over at Motec gave these to me as a gift. But I should note there are plenty of other good options out there, and most of them can be had for cheap. Fortunately, swapping out a set of bulbs on a Jeep JL Wrangler or JT Gladiator is super easy to do, and it can be done in just minutes. Now, to get to the bulbs, we will need to pull off the grill. And to do that, there are 6 push fasteners located on top of it that will need to be removed. Using a flathead screwdriver like this, you just need to lift up the locking pin in the center and then pop the whole thing out. From here, the only thing holding the grill in place are a set of retaining clips. And if you grab the whole thing and pull it straight out, it should come free with very little effort. All right, now we'll need to gain access to the back of the headlight housing. And in order to do that, I'll be using a 10mm socket to remove these 3 bolts. All right, as you can see, there's a large black cap on the back of the housing, and you'll need to turn it counterclockwise to remove it. From here, I'll need to unplug the wiring connected to the back of the bulb. And to do that, I'll need to first unlock it and then press on this dark gray tab while pulling the whole thing straight out. Finally, to remove the bulb, all you have to do is turn it counterclockwise and pull it out of the housing. Just like that. Now, before you install your new LED bulbs, you'll want to make sure that the low beam chip, the one that's closest to the front of the post, is facing upward once it's locked in place. From here, you just need to insert the LED bulb into the housing, turn it clockwise until it stops turning, plug it in, lock it in place, and then tuck all the wiring into the housing itself. Finally, we just need to put the cap back onto the housing and turn clockwise until it locks in place. All right, so now the housing can be reinstalled using the factory bolts, and as before, a 10mm socket will be needed to secure them in place. That's all there is to it. I just need to do the other side and we'll be done. So, do these LED bulbs really make that much of a difference? Well, see for yourself. This is a shot of what the factory headlights look like with halogen bulbs. And this is what they look like with a set of LED bulbs. And now, the halogens with the high beams on. And again, the LED bulbs with the high beams on. While they may not be as bright as a set of factory LED headlights, and those things are truly bright, it is in my opinion that a good set of LED bulbs alone will make a measurable difference in the amount of light you see and the quality of it as well. Ripley. Oh, hello. You're waiting? Oh, yes, I know. Hi. Oh, what is it? Oh, okay. I haven't been gone that long. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hey. Oh my goodness, you're crazy. Good girl. Okay, that's enough. Oh, good girl. I know. I missed you too. I just went to the dentist.